No, I can't believe it. I can't believe I put in much loads. Look, you even know it's strong. The fuse. Not how. Oh my goodness. There are so many clothes. If I put in more than this, do you think it will even handle? I don't know. But we will see about that. So, now it's 7 minutes. And that one, that is very heavy. So, I decided in the future to speak some Swedish. I'm still making videos on Swedish. But I will be making all kind of guest grounded soon. Because the channel is so new. And as for this, if I don't use it for 4 years, it happens nothing. So, it's 66. Oh, 6 minutes. And I can believe you really didn't. So, the thing I would like to do is go back to 2023 because it was a better year. And that was better connection than this year. This year even had even worse connection than the year 2023. I have 5G network and it's working perfectly good.